it's Heather here at the Greensboro Children's Museum. Welcome to the Edible Schoolyard Kitchen, where I would love to share with you another simple, healthy, and delicious recipe. Today we're going to be making breakfast cookies, and our star ingredients in this recipe are bananas. Okay, so you are going to need about half a cup of mashed ripe bananas, and you can see mine are pretty dark here. So the more ripe your banana, the more sugar, fructose, which is a healthy sugar for your body, that our liver loves. And with this sugar, this fructose that is in our liver, it will also help to absorb all the nutrients from your food throughout your day. So it's a great thing to consume, those bananas are. So we're gonna be mashing the bananas in a bowl. We're also gonna be adding 1 cup of oats, a 1/4 cup of dried cranberries. You can use anything such as chocolate chips, raisins, strawberries. Think about any flavor you love, put it in there. And then I'm also adding a teaspoon of cinnamon for a little extra flavor. It's a great combination with bananas. All right, so we need to get ready to peel our bananas and mash them up. Let's do it. All right, everyone, we have all of our ingredients mixed in together. We have our oven preheating to 350 degrees. We should be able to get about 8 cookies out of this amount. I'm gonna be using a cookie scoop to scoop out my cookies. You can also use a heaping tablespoon, and make sure you flatten as you scoop to make a little disc shape for a cookie. We are gonna bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes, let them cool, and then take a bite. So let's get started. Okay, our oven is ready and set at 350 degrees. Our cookies are nice and flat. Now it's time to bake. 15 to 20 minutes. Let's pop them in. Don't forget to set the timer. So our cookies are out of the oven. They've been cooling for a few minutes. Transferred them over to a platter so I can serve them or eat. Time to give them a try. Bon appetit, you may eat. Enjoy this recipe, everyone. See ya.